7 Benefits of consuming papaya seeds. Although it doesn't appeal to everyone, papaya seeds have great health benefits that we shouldn't miss. Papaya seeds provide several benefits to human health. Foods to strengthen hair. Rejuvenation techniques and skincare. Effective natural remedies to treat polio. Papaya is a fruit native to Mexico but cultivated in many countries of the world. It is very popular thanks to all the properties it has on the human organism, without forgetting its rich flavor. Moreover, you can use it as fruit as a whole fruit. Even its seeds are edible, and also have excellent health benefits as does the fruit. The benefits of consuming papaya seeds are so great that people sometimes find it hard to believe that a small seed can contain so many qualities. Likewise, there are extracts of this freeze-dried seed. Many people throw them away when they eat the fruit, unaware that they are losing an excellent natural remedy. This is why we decided to make a small list of some of the benefits of consuming papaya seeds. You don't have to throw them out again. Papaya seeds benefits. Now learn. 7 Benefits of consuming papaya seeds. 1. They are excellent for digestion. Papaya seeds for digestion. Papaya seeds contain many digestive enzymes, which help aid in the digestion of food. In addition, they have excellent anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties that help control the growth of bacteria. Likewise, they help control the level of heartburn. You should only consume 7 papaya seeds 7 times a day. You can chew them or take them crushed with water. 2. They have a natural pest control effect. Besides being excellent for digestion, papaya seeds have anti-parasitic enzymes. They contain an alkaloid called carp, which is very effective at eliminating intestinal parasites. How can you take advantage of it? When you remove the seeds from the fruit, put them to dry in the sun. Then grind them to a fine powder, fine enough for you to store it. The ideal is to consume 2 to 3 times a day. Also, you can take it with water, juice or honey. In the case of children, caution, some nutritionists and naturopaths recommend 1 seed for children 5 years old. So we shouldn't give a child more than 3 seeds at a time. 3. They protect the kidneys. These small black seeds are involved in the prevention of kidney failure problems. They can also be used in addition in case of kidney disease. How can you take advantage of it? You can use only 7 seeds divided into 7 doses per day that must be consumed. You can take it with juice or water if you don't like its taste. 4. They purify and cleanse the liver. The liver is an organ where the process of filtering out toxins takes place. All substances toxic to the body pass through the liver to prevent various diseases. If you consume papaya seeds only or consume them with fruit juice, it will help the liver to eliminate all accumulated toxins that, if not eliminate the waste, can cause severe damage to your health. How can you take advantage of it? In this case, grind only 5 papaya seeds and consume them with a little juice or a spoonful of lemon, twice a day, for a full month. This treatment will also have countless benefits for the skin, which suffers when the liver is poisoned. 5. They have a fat-burning action. Discover the use of papaya seeds. Another benefit of consuming papaya seeds is that they can help you lose weight. These seeds have the property of preventing the body from absorbing excess fats and sugars. They also facilitate elimination and are actively involved in weight loss. 6. They reduce the risk of cancer. The papaya seeds produce a kind of juice that contains a component called acetogenin. According to studies conducted on this subject, they are of great help to prevent the growth of cancer cells in the body. This is one of the reasons why papaya seeds are widely used as a natural remedy in many parts of the world, as well as the papayas themselves. 7. They help control acne. In this case, in addition to consuming papaya seeds, it is recommended to make it a kind of natural poultice. To do this, mix a few papaya leaves with the seeds and macerate them with a little water in a mortar. Place the resulting paste on the affected area for about 10 minutes. Then rinse the area thoroughly with cool water to remove the poultice. Thanks to the papaya seeds' antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties, you can say goodbye to acne. Read more on www.cookism.com. Thank you.